All right, for this project, I'm working on this mini split air conditioner that I will be putting in my garage workshop. This is a really cool thing, but it's a little bit out of my comfort zone. So I always say I'll try anything once and decide if I ever want to do it again. So right now what we're doing is we're going to put the bracket up and then put the outside unit bracket up, and then we'll see where we're at, see if we can run the hoses or what the next step is. But for this segment, we are just mounting the components, and then we'll see where we're at. First, starting out with the bracket, and the bracket has a built-in level. It could be a little bit wider, but I think we can make it work. Being that we're in a garage and it has thin paneling, I had to put up some wood to mount it to, and it's not going to be terrible. I think it'll make it a lot stronger. I can mount the wood directly to the studs and then mount the bracket to the wood. Day 2 of installing the mini split, I had to buy a bracket to mount the outside unit. I could have built a wood platform that would rest on the ground, but I think our ground shifts a little bit, so I prefer to mount it on the outside wall of the garage. So I got this bracket that would work very well for holding it. It's not a real heavy unit, and I wanted to keep it up off the ground. So I bought the bracket. I'm going to mount the bracket and then mount the outside unit to the bracket. One thing about this project, where I'm at now compared to where I was at the beginning, I am much more confident that I'm going to be able to do this. Just get started. Like, you can do hard things. We all can do hard things. If you get these off Amazon, you see that the cost is so much less than hiring it done. And I'm talking like 10%. And we can do this. You just follow the instructions. You look up videos. The closer I get, the more I think I'm going to be able to do this. I'm going to do it before winter, and I'm going to do it myself. Just keep at it, and you can do it. Got the unit mounted. It's up off the ground, so if I have to maintenance it, I'm not laying on the ground. So all the connections, we've got, I think, wiring connections up under there, and our tube connections in here, but those covers come off. So the next step will be drilling a hole in that area. Got the outside unit mounted, got the inside unit mounted. We're just going to have to cut a hole around here, probably to the left. The stud is right there on that seam, so probably to the left of that. So that's the next step.